Good morning. So today we're going to do a little bit of pantry practice using one of my favourite recipes for black beans. So here are our ingredients. We are going to make today some black bean brownies, which is one of my kids' favourites. Now the first thing I'm going to do is bring in my food processor. I hope it won't obscure things too much. I'll stick him in the corner there. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop these nuts in. Now you can leave out the nuts completely, which I often do. I don't have nuts in the house. They're a really nice crunchy addition. Cover that over. And I'm going to stop them there. I don't want that too small because I want them to have some bite. And in next I'm going to put my black beans. So I've got a 370 weck jar, which you just open, you pull the tab out and down. Make sure you've secured the lid with your other hand. You can hear that little hiss of the pressure releasing. So we're going to tip these straight in. Normally I'd say drain them, but they don't end up with much juice left over, I've found, when canned like this, so I don't find it a problem. So we're going to turn those into a nice thick paste there. Beautiful. Blech. So I'm going to quickly whack in my little whisk there. So that's just a little egg beater type attachment for the food processor. And I'm going to throw in all of this lovely goop. So now I'm going to add the eggs. So I'm using duck eggs here in the hopes that I might actually be able to eat this one. So now with the eggs in, I'm going to give that a good whisk. I'm now going to add in the rest of my ingredients. So I'm going to chuck in the sugar, cocoa, baking powder, coffee that I've spilt some more of. Give that a quick mix then. The last of the ingredients. And you guessed it, I'm going to pour this all in there. Doesn't that look just disgusting? Now I find that if I put in the chocolate chips and things while it's in the mix, they tend to sink to the bottom. And you get this rather lovely chocolatey layer at the bottom, but not a very good dispersal. So what I do is I sprinkle these in afterwards. Now, I've not actually done this with the nuts before, but I feel like it's going to be good. And just add a little bit of crunch. And a nice little salty bite into those. So now I'm going to get those into the oven. And fresh out of the oven, there we go. So this has had 40 minutes in the oven at about 180. Let's have a little look. Well, obviously, it'll be a better texture once cooled. There we go. The light's not fantastic.